Everyone, today we're outside. It's getting a little cold in these autumn months and we have our heated vest. And as you can see, this thing is really stylish, really lightweight, and it's not going to be that warm without the heating element, but because it has a heating element in it, it really holds your temperature. And so you can be light and you can be outside and feel great, and it keeps your core hot. Let me show you how it works. So first of all, you have a control panel right here, and once you power it on, you have your front, your back, and you also have your neck area that you could heat, and you can kind of decide which ones you want or don't want. You also have 3 different levels. As you can see, they have 3 different colors for different temperatures. And if you don't want to see those lights, maybe in a social setting, you can just hit the lights so nobody can see that you have a heated vest, and then you can turn that on to see where you are with your different areas. Let me show you how it's powered. So inside the jacket, there's a small zippered pocket, and when you pull that out, it reveals your power bank. And this power bank is included with this jacket. It just plugs in right here with this cord, and it's just your typical power bank. And guess what? You can actually use it to charge your phone as well. So not only can you stay warm, you can actually charge your phone. So if you're going to be at a sporting event or a parade or some winter wonderland event and you're getting low on battery, you can actually charge your phone while you heat your jacket. Really amazing. Got a large battery capacity on there. It's about 20,000 mAh, which is quite a lot of power. So you also have zippered pockets as well. You can put your hands in there, and when you do, you will feel some of that heating element. So it actually warms your hands as well. It's a great vest. You can zipper it all the way up. Water resistant, heat element, great for the outdoors, and also nice fit as well.